Every day, a superhero was born who can change the world. No one said you had to be a grown-up to make a difference. Unleash your superpowers. Come on.
Kids on the playground all day long, hopping and a bopping and a singing this song. All the little steppers on Chuck Brown way. Love to hear the choir go hey, hey, hey.
It swings and sings from year to year. It floats and waves into my ear. It moves, it grooves, it shakes the blues. It makes my toes tap in my shoes. It booms, it zooms right from the art. It keeps the rhythm of my art. It hums, it strums. When I'm sad, it's that friend I always had. It swirls me in a trance. It makes me wanna sing and dance. It zings and things. It gives me hope. It makes me sing it to my soul. It sways and plays just like I do. It plays and sways until it's through. It hops and bops from place to place. It put a smile up on my face.
Just a little bit of go-go. What I'm talking about is the music in me. I'm in the music, and the music's in me. What I'm talking about is the music in me. It's all a beautiful symphony. It's the music in me.
It ticks, it talks, it pops and locks, it hops, it bops, it never stops, it crumps, it bumps, it pumps, it jumps, it shakes my body. When it thumps, it clangs, it bangs, it's how I'm heard. It's stronger than just a spoken word. I spit, it slit, it shakes their hips, I feel no pain. When it hits, it drills, it thrills, it lifts my friend. It picks me up, it holds me down. It snaps, it claps, it booms, it baps, it frees my soul, I can't be trapped.
Yemvi, the Mac. What I'm talking